What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. Thanks for joining me today. It's November 7, Tuesday, and we are going to check what is happening with the crypto market. Bitcoin is on the verge of collapse right now, and Ethereum dropped down to 1871. And BNB back to number 4. Yesterday, XRP flipped BNB, and right now BNB is back to number 4 spot. And also one chart request, by the way, yesterday's WLD, and I think your the trade analysis yesterday was playing out very nicely. So if you can check your trade, and later on we are going to update the trade as well, because I have set limit order on that trade. So let's check what is going on with the crypto market. Bitcoin trading at 34,748. I think this is near the support trend line right now, and watch out for a possible breakdown. And by the way, today, that's what you can see on the thumbnail, Bitcoin crash before the halving. I'm going to show you the chart, why this is still on the table. Thanks for joining me, guys. We have Fit Too High. Hello, bro. Kai Nguyen and Ken Short TRB now, and XSXP chart, please. And also, can I enter WLD now? Let's check the chart later on, but first we are going to check some of the news that could affect the crypto market and, of course, the Bitcoin's price. So that's what you can see here. BNB is back to number 4. Solana is still trading at 41, up by 15% in the past 7 days. Also, XRP, one of the strong movers, 14% in the past 7 days. And also, TON is on the number 11 spot, and they have a recent claim that TON is the fastest blockchain right now. So speed of tomorrow, TON is the world's fastest blockchain. So I think this news can help boost the price of TON, and right now this is on the number 11 spot. Also, another good news about Cardano and Polkadot holders, because collaboration might be a good for Cardano and Polkadot holders. So this is one news from you today. Cardano ADA announces the start of exploring Polkadot's framework substrate for partner chain. Both ecosystem might benefit from this choice, a pseudonymous researchers say. So watch out for this, guys. This is a good news for Cardano and Polkadot. Also, Meow is joining us today. Thanks for joining me, guys. Also, Bitcoin open interest passes 15 billion as analyst warns of 20% BTC price dip. So this is a bad news for Bitcoin. The highest Bitcoin open interest level in over 6 months come as analysts predict that BTC price action will fail to flip 36,000 this week. So I'm going to show you later the Bitcoin's chart, guys. I have posted it actually on my Twitter account, but let's check it later on. And I have prepared a chart here. This is the 1 week Bitcoin logarithmic chart, and I'm gonna explain to you later why it is still likely that we are going to see a flash crash before the halving. So I have with me here the chart with the halving dates, guys. All right, so let's check this out later. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I am going to explain to you this chart. What's your analysis on TRB? Can we go short at 127? TRB is super high risk to trade, but if time will allow, we are going to check it later. So Bitcoin fell towards 34,500 on November 7th. That's today. Analyst attention turned mushrooming open interest. This trend points to increasing involvement in Bitcoin futures, hinting at either a positive shift in the market mood or a move towards protective strategies by investor. So this is something that we need to watch out, guys, because open interest right now is at $15 billion. Also, Andres Jaworski joining us today. Thanks for joining me, guys. What happened to my Let me know, where are you watching this live stream right now? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would like to hear from you guys. I'm just looking for my sound effects here. All right, so let's proceed. So let's check out crypto market RSI heat map. I have actually tweeted today about Riff and Blur. Okay, so crypto market RSI right now in the 4-hour time frame, we have football in the overbought area, but let's check the bigger time frame, because the sentiment in the lower time frame changes very quickly. So in the 1-week time frame, we have chain link in the overbought area. RSI in the 4-hour time frame is at 65, 24 hours is at 77. RSI in the 1-week time frame, so 24 hours, chain link is in the overbought area, as same as with the 1-week time frame. Also, Solana is in the overbought area in the daily time frame, as the same as in the 1-week time frame. So these are the cryptos that are due for a correction, I believe. ETH crashing, by the way. Later on, we'll check Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the chart request yesterday, which is WLD. And by the way, I received a comment today about cyber. I think one chart request, someone requested for a chart of cyber yesterday, and we forgot to check it because it's already past 30 minutes. So these are the cryptos that you need to watch out, guys. Solana Link is in the overbought area in the weekly time frame, as well as Wu Finance. SFB DeFi is also in the overbought area. Football still looking very weak. Alpha is on the weak zone as well, same as with BAL. Let's check the crypto derivatives visual screener. So longs are entering S&T right now in the 15 minutes time frame. So if we are going to check, I think S&T right now is pumping. Let's check the chart very quickly here. That was S&T. So here's S&T, guys, and this is Bitcoin. Where's S&T? S&T. All right. Yeah, so we had a buy signal here, of course, using chart prime indicator. Beautiful strong buy signal on this level right here. This is around 0.045, and this is up right now by almost 19%, guys. And order block, bearish order block level that you need to watch out for. will be these areas right here. So for S&T, longs are entering S&T right now. As what you can see, there is a huge spike in the volume, guys. This is around $339 million this day. And of course, bearish order block at around this level, from 0.057 up to 0.06. So it is still likely that S&T could go up and revisit this OB level. So watch out for this. But this is not for newbies, guys. If you are new to trading, I don't suggest you FOMOing into this kind of trade, because if you are going to check out the candle wicks here, the amount of, or the risk, look at that one move, guys, it's huge. Let's check the 15-minute time frame. So right now, this is approaching this zone resistance. We have a lot of trades here previously. This was the previous pivot point for S&T, and right now, this is also a bearish order block here, and also resistance zone. So S&T's price trying to break this zone resistance. Once it flips this into a support, the next targets will be this OB levels here. For now, chart is still looking very bullish. We are seeing a small correction because the RSI in the 15-minute time frame is in the overbought area. And also, if you're going to check the 1-hour time frame, this is still approaching the overbought area. Volume is still coming in, so there is still a huge chance that S&T would touch the 0.057 level up to 0.06. So that is the information that I got from this crypto derivatives visual screener. If you want to spot the cryptos or the altcoins that are trending at the moment, this is the 15-minute time frame. If we're going to check the 1-hour time frame or 4-hour time frame, it's almost the same, guys. RIF, it's just delay. So 24 hours RIF, longs are entering RIF in the past 24 hours. Same, S&T is still on the chart as same as Glimmer, guys. Glimmer, I think, is pumping right now. And if you are in our Telegram group, last time, or last 2 days, I believe, last 2 days, I have shared one chart, guys. So let's check my Twitter account here. So I have posted on my Twitter account this one, the T2, all right, T2. I have shared this one in our VIP Discord as well. So if you are in the VIP Discord, or if you are in our Telegram group, guys, this was the previous post. So this is in Bitget Launchpad, and this was the information that I've shared in our VIP Discord. So if you're going to participate on this launchpad in Bitget, you'll be able to get the price of T2 at 0.0015 USDT. So I participated on this event, and right now, look at this, guys. The price from 0.15 is now up by almost 1,000%. And this is only today, guys. This is only today. If you're going to check the daily time frame, the price went up as high as 2,800%, but I wasn't able to take profit on this one right here. I saw the I saw my wallet late, like around 5:30 today, and it was already down by 500%. So it was 500% up when I checked my account, and right now it's up by 1000%. Beautiful, beautiful. This was my entry, guys. This yellow line right here, 0.015, was my entry price for T2, one of the coins that I have shared in our Discord group, October 27. So that was like last week. 27, buy and sold, holds more. ETH crashing now. So that was for T2. And by the way, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. All right, so let's move on to the charts, guys. Bitcoin right now, I think it's, let's see if it breaks the support. Oh, look at this, guys. Bitcoin in the 1 hour time frame is on the verge of collapse. Bitcoin is hovering literally. If you're going to check the 1 hour time frame, this is the 200 EMA support. If you're going to check the 4 hour time frame, this is the 50 EMA support here, and this is in confluence with the order block level, guys. So look at this. This order block and this support right now is holding the price of Bitcoin. If it breaks down below this one, if it breaks this OB level, this is around very thin, guys, 5.52 thousand or 5k BTC is holding this position right now. Next one is very thin, 4,000 BTC is on this level, and once Bitcoin drops down below, the next target is going to be fast. This is a fair value gap here for Bitcoin, and the next target that I am looking at will be 31,800. But for now, as long as Bitcoin trade within this range is still valid. This parallel channel will still be valid, but once we see a confirmation 4 hour candle closing below the support trend line, closing below the 50 EMA support, closing below the 200 EMA support, then that's the time we are going to look at a possible move to the downside. For now, this looks bearish. 2 sell signal right now is showing up in the 1 hour time frame, of course using chart prime indicator, guys. In the 4 hour time frame, we're still waiting for a confirmation, but for now this looks bearish. A small bearish divergence is showing in the oscillator here, of course using chart prime oscillator pro, and we also have 1 bearish signal here. All right, next target will be the 200 EMA, just in case the Bitcoin's price breaks this support trend line, 200 EMA support in confluence with the 50 EMA support in the 1 hour time frame. So keep an eye on this chart very, very closely right now. All right, we still have this bearish order block at around 35,500 up to 36,000. This is around 10,000 BTC. All right, we have 10,000 BTC waiting on this level. And by the way, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. And all right, so let's move on to the Bitcoin halving very fast. And by the way, WLD, we are almost near the target right now. This was one of the chart requests yesterday, guys, and I put very small amount, $100 on this trade. So this was the entry. I was expecting a retest. The price yesterday when I was doing my live stream was trading at around 1.78, and I was expecting this move, guys. I've explained it yesterday. Possible retest of the 200 EMA and then drop to this level right here. So risk to reward ratio for this trade is 4.48 versus 6.67%, and you can actually take some profit right now and move your stop loss back to entry. And here's the trade, guys. $100 position, isolated position, and right now this is in a $22 profit. So I'm just gonna leave it right now. Probably gonna wait for the price to reach the support trend line up to 1.62. Let's check the chart here. So this is around 1.7 support, bullish order block level. But if this breaks down below, then I will be looking at the lower channel, which is around 1.5 level. For now, I'm just gonna hold this trade for now. Let's see if we can, if the price breaks this support, guys. Next target that I will be looking at will be 1.63. Again, this is forming a rising wedge pattern, guys. Rising wedge pattern. This will be the likely target here, but the ideal breakout target for the rising wedge pattern will be the bottom of the wedge, which is back to $1 area. But that is going to take a long time for the price to reach $1 area. And for now, let's stick to the smaller time frame. Shorter time frame target will be this area right here near the support trend line. If this breaks down below, then this will be the next target. All right, so I'll just continue to hold this trade for now. Let's check Bitcoin. So we are done with Bitcoin. Let's check Ethereum before I show you the possible crash before the halving. Again, if you have watched my previous stream and previous analysis for Ethereum, my key support level will be this 50 exponential moving average, guys. And for now, the price, I have already taken profit, by the way, for my Ethereum trade. So I have already closed my trade, and major or key support level for Ethereum and Bitcoin will be the 50 exponential moving average in the 4-hour time frame and the 200 exponential moving average in the 1-hour time frame. Target, if this 50 EMA breaks down, will be back to the support trend line for Ethereum. For now, this is still in an overall uptrend, guys. We also have this bearish divergence forming in the oscillator. So for now, this is a no trade zone. I have already closed my long position for Ethereum. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation before I enter a new position. All right, let me know if you have any questions, clarifications, chart requests. Let me know in the chat or in the comment section down below, and we'll try to answer it before we end the stream. We still have 2 minutes left, and let's jump into the Bitcoin halving, guys. So these are the Bitcoin halving. So first halving was on November 28, 2012. This was the first halving here, and as what you can see, we are seeing an exponential move or price surge after the halving. All right, second halving was on July 9, 2016. This was the second halving. But if you're going to zoom in, guys, if you're going to zoom in exactly on the week of the halving, Bitcoin drop before the halving, by the way. Let's check how many days was this. So price, this was before the crash. So around 35 days before the halving, Bitcoin crashed by almost 40%, 38%, all right? And next halving was May 11, 2020. And on this date, look at this, guys. Bitcoin from the bottom, 2017 was the peak at $20,000. Bitcoin dropped by almost, let's check this one. Bitcoin dropped by 83% and then bounced back up by 300%, but it didn't surpass the previous all-time high here. So this was the bear market rally and then a huge flash crash back almost to the previous lows. So the previous low here in 2017 was 3,000. We have seen the crash before the halving. 91 days before the halving, we have seen a huge crash back to $4,000. And right now we are on this level here. The next halving will be on April 24, 2024, guys. And that's like around, let's check how many days. So it is 168 days from now to the next halving, which is April 24, 2024. And if the previous price action, the same price action would happen here in 2017 to 2020, before the 2021 bull run. So the next bull run would probably be around 2025, all right? So I would be expecting a huge retest of support here. Probably price gonna continue to pump maybe up to maximum at this level here, 48 to 50. Let's just say it retested the previous support trend line here. And then probably if we are going to see the same price action, let's see how many percent would be this drop. %. So let's say 40%, guys. 40%, the resistance that I will be looking at if we are going to crash by 40%, right? So if Bitcoin is going to crash by 40%, we are almost near the tapping area here, which is the $36,000. But again, I have been tweeting about the liquidity zones for Bitcoin, which is around $37,600. And this is in confluence with the resistance on the weekly time frame. This was the previous pivot points here. All right, so for Bitcoin. So we are almost near the tapping point, and the retest area, if there will be another flash crash, this is going to be your buy zone, guys. If you're not holding Bitcoin right now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen 100% correct, but if there will be a flash crash before the halving, watch out for this level, because this is going to be our buy zone, right? DCA buy zone for the next bull run. Look at this move, guys. Look at this move, guys. After this flash crash, Bitcoin had pumped by 1,500%. And if we can accumulate more Bitcoin at around this level, and if Bitcoin will reach, let's say, just let's be conservative, $100,000, that is going to be 400% from $22,000 or $21,000 BTC. All right, so I'm gonna share this chart in the VIP Discord, and of course I'm gonna share this in our Telegram group. So for now, I'm gonna share this one in the announcement section or announcement channel in our VIP Discord. So feel free to check it out. Let me check some of the comments here and some of the chats before we end this video. So we have Jaideep joining us today. What's your analysis on TRB? Frosley Gaming, hello, thanks for joining me, guys. Andres Jaworski watching from Bangladesh. Kai Nguyen, ETH is crashing, by the way. 27 buy and sold, hold more. Matic, chart please. Let's check Matic, by the way, before we end this stream. Matic. So this was our previous long position here for Matic. It was, oh, this is actually one of the VIP trades. I was expecting the price would touch and revisit this area right here. We missed this one because the chart did not touch our long entry. This was posted in the VIP Discord like yesterday or 2 days ago, near this 50 EMA support. Right now, in the 4-hour time frame, we have a bearish divergence formation here. Let's try to zoom out first for Matic. So weekly resistance, this is actually right now retesting the 200. Let me delete this one first. Let me delete all of this. So the price on the daily time frame is retesting this 200 EMA exponential moving average as a support. So if this will hold, this could be a good long entry point, guys. All right. So let's check the previous price action for Matic. So as what you can see here, the price breaks out above the 200 EMA, retested the 200 EMA as a support, and then the price continued to move up. So if this 200 EMA holds as a support for Matic, then this could be a good long entry point. Let's check, by the way, the possible risk to reward ratio. This is around 8%. But ideally you would set your stop loss below all of this candle right here. But we'll try to minimize our risk. Let's try to put it below this candle here. So this is around 8%. We have this support level here. We have the support level here for support zone. All right. And the first resistance will be at around this level. Bearish order block. Bearish order block. Bearish order block level at around 0.8569 up to 0.9. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement level. Swing high, swing low. This got rejected from the 61.8. So this could actually be a retracement, but we can actually limit our risk. Let's see if this will hold. Then next target that I will be looking at will be this level right here, 78.6, and then the 100% level, which is in confluence with the bearish order block zone. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. Let's find more confirmation. So we have a bearish divergence. Oscillator right now is in the overbought area. So we'll try to get in near this 50 EMA. All right, but we have order blocks as well at around this area here in the lower time frames. So I think for safer entry, we can wait for this one right here. A little bit below. Let's check this one, this area right here. So possible maximum retracement will be the 61.8, which is around 0.59. And we have order blocks here. So safer entry, you can wait for this area right here. If we can get a retest, let's just try to be safe right now. 50%, let's go with 50%. So we can minimize the risk, because this could be the end of the retracement for Matic, because on the daily time frame the price got rejected exactly on this 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So if we were going to check this swing low up to swing high, the price could retrace maximum up to 0.59. 50% in confluence with the order block levels will be this area right here. So for safer long entry, I would wait for the price to possibly retest this area right here. All right, possible retest on this level. But for now, this is high risk. All right, let's try to minimize the risk here. Let's try to do this for now. So just check for the price action. Once the price reaches this level right here near the 200 EMA in the 4-hour time frame, we have bearish order block in or bearish divergence formed in the oscillator. And let's check the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame, we have this 200 EMA acting as the support for this uptrend. By the way, high risk, so we have two entries here. High risk short-term trade, long position near this 200 EMA. So what you can see, the price, let me just delete again all of this. This is getting very messy here. So if you're going to check the lower time frame, so what you can see right now, the price bounced from the 200 exponential moving average, retested this area, and then bounced back up, retested this area, bounced back up, retested near the 200 EMA. Right now price got rejected. We have a sell signal here using, of course, chart prime indicator. Very high order block, 30.4 or 30 million Matic positions, or 30 million Matics on this level right here. The price got rejected. We have a sell signal right there. Possible retest of this 200 exponential moving average. High risk entry for short term will be this area, 200 EMA, back to this order block level. Check the price action once it reaches this level, and then you can decide if this will hold or not. All right, but again, all charts in CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. In the 1-hour time frame, the oscillator is approaching the overbought area. So for now, this is going to be my high risk long. I think this is in confluence with the 200 EMA in the daily time frame. Let's check. This is actually a little bit below, but this is going to be our short-term long entry. Okay, I think let's hope we can get a candle wick below that 200 EMA support. on the daily time frame. So this will be the short-term target for Matic and possible high risk long entry point. All right, risk to reward is 5.45 versus 10%. I think that's it for today, guys. TRB, XNV, mine too, TRB. Should we check TRB? TRB is super high risk to trade. WLD is still holding here. Let's check TRB very quick. But I would not personally open a... we are already 44 minutes, guys. TRB. 126. This is now in a price discovery. Let's check the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, if you want to gamble with TRB, watch out for this level, guys. This is the previous pivot point. This is the weekly time frame for TRB. We have this one right here as the previous pivot point for TRB. We have bearish order block on this level. So TRB is up by almost 1,200% from the bottom here, from this buy signal, guys. Look at this buy signal from Chart Prime. And by the way, if you want to use Chart Prime, they have right now a free trial. They have a free trial. So in the weekly time frame, beautiful buy and sell signal here. Another sell signal. Beautiful. So right now, we don't have any signal from Chart Prime. I'm probably gonna wait for a sell signal. But if you want to gamble, again, TRB is super high risk to trade. If you want to gamble, wait for the price to reach or try to DCA. This is still a huge... This is around 37%, 40% from the current price up to... Let's check the first OB. This is still around 10%. And maximum, this could still go up by almost 34%. And if you're trading it with leverage, that is super high risk. We have also Adventure of Kita joining us today. Thanks, guys, for joining me today. And I think we are over time, already over time, 47 minutes of live stream here. So watch out for that Bitcoin pre-halving flash crash. I have shared the chart in our VIP Discord. If you have enjoyed this stream, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, click that notification bell so you won't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. And by the way, congratulations to the one who requested WLD yesterday. Our trade is going smoothly right now. We are up by $21, very small amount. I have entered very small amount. This is super high risk to trade, by the way. So I have entered $100 isolated position into this trade. And right now we are up by 22% from the yesterday's entry. I'm gonna just leave it for now. Just gonna leave it there. And probably gonna take profit near this support trend line. And I'm gonna check the price action once the price reaches this support trend line here. All right. So that's it for today. TRB chart, I'm gonna share this in our VIP Discord and of course in our free public Telegram group. If you want to catch my trades, you can check it out. Telegram group. I have shared Rift today. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Very fast trade. And of course, trade at your own risk. Protect your assets at all times. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Leave some comments in the comment section down below. If you have any chart requests, leave them in the comment section down below. We'll try to do TA tomorrow. We'll do this daily. And if we